Sir, very happy morning to all. So we are doing Schedule 3. Sir, there is a section called as Section 7.2 of the CGST Act. In the last slot, we have understood that there are certain activities or transaction covered in Schedule 3. If an activity or transaction is covered in Schedule 3, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. These are the items we have already completed. A stands for actionable claim. Sir, first of all, we have to recall that all actionable claims are goods. But all actionable claims are not covered in the Schedule 3. Because actionable claim other than specified actionable claim, that means specified actionable claim are not inside the Schedule 3. That means GST department wants GST for the specified actionable claim. What are the specified actionable claim? Betting, casino, gambling, horse racing, lottery, or online money gaming. Like this, we can summarize. Actionable claim can be classified into two categories. Specified actionable claim other than specified actionable claim. You tell me, specified actionable claim are not covered under Schedule 3. That means it is liable to GST. Examples are lottery, betting, gambling, casino, horse racing, and online money gaming. Whereas other than specified actionable claims are there, which are covered under Schedule 3. That means those items are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. For example, FD receipt is an actionable claim. Bill of exchange is an actionable claim. Promissory note is an actionable claim. Bank guarantee is an actionable claim. Are you all really with me? For these items and all, no GST is there. Because these items are neither supply of goods nor supply of services, which are covered in Schedule 3 is what A is all about. B stands for board. My dear lovable students, there are certain functions will be performed by the members of parliament. There is no employer-employee relationship. These five people are existing for the benefit of the people. Am I right? So, members of the parliament, members of the state legislature, members of the panchayat, members of the municipality, and members of the other local authorities. If these five people provided any services, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of services is what B stands for. Board. 5 boards are there. What are the 5 boards? Members of the parliament, members of the state legislature, members of the panchayat, members of the municipality, members of the other local authority. C stands for court. Sir, court and tribunals are there in India to just keep up the law and order. So they are not commercial services they are providing. They are providing judicial services. So services provided by court or services provided by tribunal are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. You will be getting a doubt that, sir, whether the court includes all types of court. Yes, all types of court. Court include district court, high court, and supreme court, my dear lovable students. And sir, we are having E stands for employee-employer relationship. In the sense means, sir, there are two relationships are there. You are employee, I am employer. Employee-employer relationship are covered in Schedule 3. Whereas employer-employee relationship are covered in Schedule 1. Are you all really with me? So, service by an employee to the employer in the course or in relation to his employment are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. That means being an employee, if you are providing services to me, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. And that employee cover all type of employee. Casual employee will be covered. Regular employee will be covered. Contract basis employee will be covered. All are treated as employee only, my dear lovable students. Then we are having, sir, F. F stands for what? Funeral. So this is what the one line summary. Any services provided by the employer to the employee. If I am providing any service to you, it is covered in Schedule 1, and that too with a limit of 50,000 rupees. Are you able to recall? But if any service has been provided by employee to the employer, it is covered in Schedule 3. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. F stands for funeral. Sir, if you are a service provider who are providing service relating to funeral, such as service of funeral, burial, crematorium, mortuary, including transportation of the deceased, are exempt from what? GST. For example, I am providing funeral services, some sound. Sir, I am providing that. Sir, vehicle will be there to carry the deceased person, or any service related to funeral are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. And G stands for ground. Ground was including two items, my dear lovable students. One is land. Always land is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Because land is not a movable property. Land is an immovable property. That means land are not goods. Land are services. If you are selling land, my dear lovable students, what government is saying that don't charge GST. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. If you charge GST on land, you just think logically, how much time on the same land you will be charging GST? Because one person will be selling the land for 1 crore rupees to another person. Sir, the seller would have collected 18% GST. Am I right? The recipient will sell in future the same land for 1.5 crores to another person. Sir, on the 1.5 crores again, GST will be levied at the rate of what percentage? 18%. So like that, my dear lovable students, government is saying that land already we are getting the stamp duty. So we don't want what? GST. Land, let it purchase and sell the land, everyone. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. But building, it depends upon when you are paying the consideration. If you are paying the consideration before getting the completion certificate, then it will be treated as supply of services. Then it will fall in Schedule 2. If it fall in Schedule 2, it will not fall in Schedule 3. But if the entire, that word is very important, entire consideration has been paid after issuance of the completion certificate, it will not be treated as supply of services. That means it has not fall in Schedule 2. If it has not fall in Schedule 2, then it will fall in Schedule 3, is what they are saying, sale of building. I cannot say that sale of building is always neither supply of goods nor supply of goods services. So supply of goods, it is subject to para 5B of Schedule 2. So you have to go and check the Schedule 2 whether that sale of building is falling in Schedule 2 or not. If it falls in Schedule 2, it will not fall in Schedule 3. If it not falls in Schedule 2, it will fall in Schedule 3. Are you all really with me? That's what, my dear lovable students, G stands for land. So when you are paying consideration matter, have you paid the consideration before issuance of completion certificate? Then it will fall in Schedule 2 and it will be treated as supply of services. I paid the whole consideration, or rather entire consideration after issuance of completion certificate. Then it will fall in Schedule 3. Then it will not be a supply of services, nor it will not be supply of goods also. Are you all really with me? Neither supply of goods nor supply of services. I'm continuing our discussion. H stands for holds a position. So A stands for actionable claim other than specified actionable claim. That is very important. B stands for board. How many board? 5 board. C stands for court. D stands for district court. E stands for employee-employer relationship. F stands for funeral. G stands for ground. H stands for holds a position. Sir, there are two things to be discussed, man. Position number 1 and position number 2. By holding position, you will provide 2 services. For example, duties performed by any person, let it be any person, who holds any post in pursuance of the provisions of the Constitution in that, sir, capacity. For example, because of Constitution of India, I am the governor, I am the prime minister, I am the chief minister, I am the election commission head. Look at here. Duties performed by President of India, Vice President of India, Prime Minister of India, Governors, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Election Commission, Controller and Auditor General of India, Chairman of UPSC, Attorney General of India. In that capacity, these people are holding the position because of Constitution of India. Are you all really with me? There is no employer-employee relationship. And certain people are not member of parliament, member of panchayat, member of municipality. So those people will not fall in that clause. So for these people, if they provide service, even that is also not supply of goods nor supply of services, because it is covered in Schedule 3. Now you read it, man. The duties performed by any person. So these people are performing their duty. who holds any post in pursuance of the provisions of the constitution in that capacity. So because of constitution of India, I'm holding some position. By holding that position, I'm providing some services. It's my duty, man. It is a duty of the chairman of the UPSC to conduct the UPSC examination in a proper manner. Are you all really with me? If you write UPSC exam only, you can become collector, you can become IRS. Like that, all the government civil service examinations are there. When to conduct exam, what should be the question paper, what is the time of conducting examination, everything will be decided by the chairman of UPSC. He is holding that post because of the Constitution of India. So he will be providing services. That services is literally for the general public to recruit people to the government. So that will neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Position number 2. Sir, duties performed by any person. That means you should understand one logic. Sir, this is para 3. What, man? H stands for what a position? Holds a position. If I go to employee-employer relationship, I'm moving to employee-employer relationship. Look at here, man. Sir, employee-employer relationship is para 1. Certain people will not fall in the employee-employer relationship. Am I right, sir? Those people, sir, they have covered in para 3. What is para 3? Other than para 1. Board. How many board are there? 5 boards are there. Member of Parliament, member of state legislature, member of Panchayat, member of municipality, and member of other local. This para 3, certain people even will not covered in board also. Certain people will not covered in board also. The continuation of para 3 only, two more activity, position number 1 and position number 2. For the alphabetical order, I have arranged like this. A stands for actionable claim other than specified actionable claim. B, board. Actually, in that board, continuation of board only, position number 1 and position number 2. Are you getting the flow? That means what they are trying to say is, if you are an employee, if I am an employer, service provided by employee to the employer in the course or of his employment is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Will everyone fall in employer-employee relationship? No, sir. So, there are certain people, MLA, MP and all there. Are they employer-employee? No, sir. Are they employee of any person? They are representative of the people, not the employee of the people. Are you understanding the difference? So they have come up with para 3. In para 3, they said that if you are providing service 5 board, neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Even certain people will not fall in the 5 board also, such as people who are holding the position because of Constitution of India. Even those people service also, neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Even certain people will not fall in Constitution of India clause also. So they come up with a final clause. Arre, duty performed by any person, man. You be any person. As a what, man? Chairperson. Sir, I am the chairperson. Or I am a member. Or I am a director. Where you are chairperson. Where you are member. Where you are director. Sir, in a body established by what government? Central government. For example, central government has established a body. In that, I am the chairperson, I am the member, I am the director. Or state government has established a body. Or local authority has established a body. Who is not deemed as an employee before the commencement of this clause. Because in that body, if I am an employee, I will fall under service provided by employee to the employer clause. Am I right? So, central government for providing various services to general people, they will be setting up various bodies. Sports body is there. Sports, sir, they will be setting up some sports body will be there. Health commissions will be there. In that you are acting as a chairperson. In that you are acting as a member. You are acting as a director. Are you acting all these in those body as an employee? No, absolutely no. Are you member of Parliament? Absolutely no. Is that chairperson post because of Constitution of India? Absolutely no. But still you are providing government service only. Am I right? So those people who have not covered in the above category will be covered here. That's what H stands for, holds a position. So I'm consolidating. Tell me, man, what is A stands for? Actionable claim other than specified actionable claim. B stands for board. C stands for court. D stands for district court. E stands for employee-employer relationship. F stands for funeral. G stands for ground. And H stands for holds a position. Holds a. Now I, sir, insurance. This is the newly added item in Schedule 3. When GST Act comes, this para 9 and para 10 was not there. So my dear lovable students, from this area, they will test in exam. It's mandatory for examination since it is amendment man. Apportionment of co-insurance premium. I will tell you what is a, sir, negative list. Services by insurer to the reinsurer. Two things they have added. Sir, activity of apportionment of co-insurance premium by the lead insurer. That means there is a person called as lead insurer. That lead insurer will get the insurance policy and he will be apportioning the premium, sir, between the other insured party to the co-insurer for the insurance service jointly supplied by the what insurer? Lead insurer. And the co-insurer to the insured in co-insurance agreement. Subject to the condition that lead insurance pay CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST on the entire amount of premium paid by the insured is the question. This will be treated as neither supply of goods nor supply of services. What will be treated as, sir? I have not understood anything, sir. Okay, have you understood that one new item has been added? For the time being, that is enough. I'm reading this and I'm going to solve this illustration. Once I solve the illustration, you will understand what they are trying to say. Service by the insurer to the reinsurer for which ceding commission or the reinsurance commission is deducted from the reinsurance premium paid by the insurer to reinsurer, subject to condition that CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST is paid by the reinsurer on the gross reinsurance premium payable by the insurer to the reinsurer inclusive of the said ceding commission or the reinsurance commission is the discussion. Two items has been added in the Schedule 3. These two supply will neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Can I proceed? I will explain that too with this example, man. Beautiful example. Be with me. I will be taking 5 to 7 minutes extra because if you clearly understand this question, that provision can be easily understood. Gopin Private Limited has two comprehensive insurance policy. Assume you are Gopin, okay? You are a company. You think like that. You are Gopin Private Limited. Sir, generally company will take insurance. Am I right? To safeguard themselves, sir, they will be taking insurance. So they took 2 insurance, my dear lovable students. Even they can take 100 insurance also, no problem. With Star Insurance Limited, the first company is the Star Insurance Limited. One of the companies, Star Insurance Limited, for its operations. To manage its risk exposure, Star Insurance Limited decides to reinsurance part of the risk of policy 1 with Tata AIG Limited, a reinsurance company. Super, sir. So Gopin Private Limited took insurance with Star Insurance Limited. So who is the service provider? Star Insurance Limited. Who is the service recipient? Gopin Private Limited. Am I right? What this guy has done is Star Insurer, now they are feeling the risk. Oh my God. If something has happened to Gopin Private Limited, we are supposed to compensate to the Gopin Private Limited. Am I right? So let me cover my risk. How Gopin Private Limited was smart, the same way I also want to be smart. So the Star Insurance Limited have went to Tata AIG. Tata AIG Limited, some insurance company. They are reinsurance company. What insurance company? So the Star Insurance Company have reinsured with Tata AIG. You know one thing, man. Tata AIG and Gopin does not have any relationship. Only Gopin and Star Insurance are having relationship. Star Insurance and Tata AIG are having relationship, right? Sir, the Gopin is having how many insurance policy? 2 insurance policy. One with Star are having with Tata AIG. Now I'm going to talk about policy number 2. For policy number 2, Star Insurance Limited opt for co-insurance agreement with ICAI Limited. Super, sir. That means even second insurance is also with Star Insurance Limited. Are you all really with me? Sir, actually, who's the service provider? Star Insurance. Star Insurance thought that, I can't provide 100% of the insurance services to the Gobin Private Limited. So I am going to add one more person as co-insurer. As what insurer? Co-insurer. Here 100% of the service has been provided by Star Insurance for the policy number 1. Are you all really with me? But for policy number 1, Star Insurance Limited has taken the reinsurance. Paka? But for policy number 2, it's not reinsurance, it is co-insurance. That means Star Insurance Limited plus ICAI Limited, both are going to provide insurance services to the Gopin Private Limited. Are you all really with me? I'm reading once again before we finalize the things, man. Gopin Private Limited has 2 comprehensive insurance policy with what? Star Insurance Limited for its operation. So both the policy they have taken with the Star Insurance only. So who's the party? Gopin Private Limited. They are having how many insurance? 2 insurance. Policy number 1 and policy number 2. Sir, to manage its risk exposure. Whose risk exposure? Star Insurance risk exposure. Star Insurance decided to reinsurance part of risk of policy number 1 with Tata AIG, a reinsurance company. So regarding this policy number 1, Star Insurance Limited has taken a reinsurance with Tata AIG Limited. Provisions clear? Come on. For policy number 2, Star Insurance Limited opt for what insurance? Co-insurance. Agreed with what? ICAI Limited. That means in policy number 1, exclusively service will be provided by Star Insurance Limited to Gobin Private Limited. But Star Insurance Limited is fearing, so they have covered their risk with the Tata AIG. So this is called as reinsurance. Facts clear? Sir, but policy number 2, not only Star Insurance Limited provided the service to the Gobin Private Limited, both Star Insurance Limited and ICAI Limited has provided service to the Gobin Private Limited. So this is what insurance? Co-insurance. One is reinsurance, another is co-insurance. Details of the reinsurance agreement between Star and Tata AIG. Whether I am talking with policy number 1 or policy number 2. Policy number 1. This was the terms between policy number 1. Gross reinsurance premium to be paid by Star Insurance to Tata is 78 lakhs. Let me ask you a question. Sir, here Star Insurance Limited is providing service to Gopin. Who's the service provider? Star Insurance. Who's the service recipient? Gopin Private Limited. Am I right? Whereas in supply number 2, who's the service provider? Tata AIG. Who's the service recipient? Star Insurance Limited. Service recipient is the person who are liable to pay consideration. Am I right? That means for this reinsurance services provided by the Tata AIG to the Star Insurance, my dear lovable students, Star Insurance Limited is supposed to pay a consideration. How much is the consideration? Star Insurance is going to pay to Tata AIG 78 lakhs. Right? Let me ask you one more question. Who is the service provider? In reinsurance, Tata AIG. Who is the service recipient? Star Insurance. Tata AIG is very happy. You know one thing, because Star Insurance company come and take insurance with Tata AIG. That means there are some business to Tata AIG. Am I right? There are some business to Tata AIG. Business means if someone take insurance, that is called as business. Generally in insurance agreement, insurance business, insurance sector, if you are bringing business, I have to pay insurance commission. I have to pay. Who brought business? Star Insurance. That means Star Insurance is the service provider. And Tata AIG is the service recipient for the business services they have provided. Are you understanding? Sir, service number 1. Okay. Sir, Star Insurance provided the insurance services to Gopin Private Limited. I believe that there is no confusion in service number 1. Service number 2. Sir, Tata AIG provided reinsurance services to the Star Insurance Limited. Am I right, sir? This is what service number 2. Sir, there is one more service, sir. Service number 3. Sir, Star Insurance provided business services to Tata AIG. That's what service number 3. Are you able to appreciate? Sir, who is in service number 2, who is the service recipient? Star Insurance. That's why they are supposed to pay a consideration of 78 lakh. In service number 3, who is the service recipient? Tata AIG. That means Tata AIG is supposed to pay the consideration. That consideration is called a ceding commission. What commission? Now I am reading, man. Sir, gross insurance, please understand. Gross in reinsurance premium to be paid by Star Insurance Limited to Tata AIG. Because service provider is Tata AIG. Service recipient is Star Insurance. So Star Insurance, my dear lovable students, is supposed to pay gross consideration of 78 lakhs. Am I right? In between, one more service has been happened called as business services. Who provided business service? Star Insurance. To the now Tata AIG is supposed to pay consideration to Star Insurance. That's what ceding commission allowed by Tata AIG is how much lakh? 8 lakh. So basically 78 lakh is to be paid by Star to Tata, whereas 8 lakhs rupees to be paid by Tata to Star. Am I right? Can we net it off? So 78 lakh minus how much lakh? 8 lakh. What is the net amount? 70 lakh. What they are trying to say? Net reinsurance premium paid to Tata is 70 lakh after deducting ceding commission. So what Star Insurance is saying that, hey Tata, you are providing reinsurance services to me. You are providing reinsurance. Tata is providing reinsurance service to Star. What Star is saying to Tata that for that service I am liable to pay 78 lakh. Hello sir. I am providing business services to you. For that you are liable to pay me 8 lakh. We will net it off. I will pay you how much lakh? 70 lakhs. Netta, keep this 70 lakh. This is what the details of policy number 1. Sir, details of co-insurance agreement between Star and ICAI Limited. Hello sir. For policy number 2, 100% of the insurance is not provided by Star. They put together, join ICAI and Star only provided to Gopin Private Limited. Are you all really with me? Sir, actually Gopin Private Limited approached whom for insurance? Star. They only go and talked with ICAI. Am I right? That means the Star Insurance is called as lead insurer. What man? Lead insurer. Who is the lead insurer? Star Insurance Limited. 70% share. Who's liable to pay GST on the entire premium. That means out of policy number 2, 70% of the risk will be handled by Star. Remaining 30% will be handled by ICAI Limited. Are you all really with me? Co-insurer ICAI Limited. How much percent share? 30% share. So from here onwards, Star Insurance Limited is otherwise called as lead insurer and ICAI Limited will be otherwise called as co-insurer. Total premium, how much lakh? 80 lakh. Paid by Gopin to Star Insurance Limited. That means, sir, you have to critically analyze. Who is the service providers? Star Insurance and ICAI Limited. Who is the service recipient? Gopin. Actually, Gopin knows only Star Insurance. Am I right? Because Gopin have approached only Star Insurance. Now Star Insurance is fearing, if I provide 100% insurance services to Gopin Private Limited, tomorrow something happened to Gopin, my money will be swaha. So let me call some other person also. Sir, Star were able to convince ICAI Limited. Sir, Star said to ICAI that, Macha, I will take care 70% of the risk exposure. You take care 30%. And I will be collecting 100% of premium. ICAI, you don't go and talk with Gopin Private Limited. I will talk. Who will talk? Star will talk. That's why total premium 80 lakh paid by Gopin to what man? Star Insurance Limited, who's issued invoice for full premium and GST. It's not like Star Insurance raised 70% value of supply and ICAI Limited 30% value of supply. No, 100% of the premium has been raised by Star Insurance Limited. How much rupees raised? What is the premium amount? Tell man. 80 lakhs. Sir, this 80 lakhs should be bifurcated into two. 70% and 30%. So 80 lakhs into 70% means 56 lakhs should go to Star Insurance Limited and 24 lakhs should go to the ICAI Limited. Am I right? Star Insurance retain 56 lakhs. Yes, because out of 100% service, they are providing 70% service. And ICAI Limited receives 24 lakh from Star Insurance as per the agreement. Are you able to appreciate? Discuss the tax implication, gross basis, and person liable to pay tax in all the above cases is the question. My dear lovable students, we are now having a legal provision. Para 10 of Schedule 3. Now insurance service has been added. Am I right? 2 paras has been added. One is reinsurance services. Number 2 is co-insurance services. Reinsurance services and co-insurance. Service provided by an insurer to a reinsurer. Tell me, in policy number 1, sir, actually, Gopin have taken insurance with Star Insurance Limited. Star has again taken insurance with Tata AIG. So you tell me who is the insurer to a reinsurer? Who is the insurer in case number 2? Star. Tata is the insurer to a reinsurer. Who is the reinsurer? Who is reinsuring? Star is reinsuring. Where ceding or reinsurance commission is deducted from the what premium? Reinsurance premium. Are not considered as neither supply of goods nor supply of services, provided the reinsurer. Who's reinsurer? Star pays GST on the gross reinsurance premium, inclusive of the what? Commission. Look at here, man. First, who is the service provider? Star Insurance Limited. They provided service to Gopin Private Limited. Correct? For that, what is the insurance premium? 78 lakh. On that 78 lakh, only 8 lakh rupees is the ceding commission. Am I right? Sir, have the service provider collected GST on 100% of 78 lakh? Yes. Look at here, man. Details of reinsurance agreement between Star and Tata. Gross reinsurance premium to be paid by Star Insurance to Tata AIG, how much lakh? 78 lakh. Ceding commission allowed by Tata AIG, how much lakh? 8 lakh. Net reinsurance premium paid to Tata AIG, 70 lakh. After deducting what commission? Ceding commission. Sir, this is gross. Am I right? If Star has collected GST on the entire how much lakh? 78 lakh from the Gopin, then on this 8 lakh, no need to collect GST. It will not be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Are you all really with me? So look at here, man. In this case, Tata AIG, the reinsurer, is liable to pay GST on the what insurance premium? Gross insurance premium of how much lakh? 78 lakhs. Are you all really with me? Yes, sir. The ceding commission of 8 lakh received by Star Insurance Limited is not subject to additional GST as the service is not treated as supply under para 10 of the what 3? Schedule 3. Are you all really with me, man? That means, my dear lovable students, now I'm going back and reading the amendment. You will be understanding. Activity of apportionment of what insurance premium, which is regarding policy number 2. Policy number 2 was not reinsurance. Policy number 2 was co-insurance. Actually, who was the original party? Gopin. They have entered insurance with Star Insurance and ICAI Limited. Correct? Two co-insurers are there. Correct? In this, one party is the what insurer? Lead insurer. Other party is the co-insurer. Who is the lead insurer? Star Insurance Limited. Who is the co-insurer? ICAI Limited. Look at here, man. By the lead insurer. Yes, one party is lead insurer who are holding 70%. To the co-insurer. Who is the co-insurer? ICAI Limited. For the insurance service jointly supplied by the lead insurer. So lead insurer, have they provided jointly to the Gopin? Yes, sir. And co-insurer to the insured in co-insurance agreement, subject to the condition that lead insurer pay CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST on the entire amount of premium paid by whom? Insured. Look at the line. What they are saying here. Lead insurer is whom? Star Insurance Limited. How much share? Who is liable to pay GST on the what premium? That means on total 80 lakh GST. If GST has been paid by the lead insurer, then for the services provided by the co-insurer to the lead insurer will neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of service. Because this 80 lakhs only we have bifurcated into two, like 70% and 30%. Am I right? Then why are you again charging GST on this 24 lakh? It will lead to double taxation. It will neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Clarity. That's what the first one between insurance law, apportionment of what insurance premium? Co-insurance premium. What is the total insurance premium? 80 lakh. It has been apportioned between who and who? Star and the ICAI. Star how much? 70%. ICAI how much? 30%. Sir, apportionment of co-insurance premium. Apportionment of? So, if you are doing an activity of apportionment of co-insurance premium by the lead insurer is giving 30% of the premium to the co-insurer. To the co-insurer for the insurance service jointly supplied by the lead insurer and the co-insurer to the insured in what agreement? Co-insurance agreement. But one condition is that is a main condition. What is the main condition? The lead insurer should pay 100% of the CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST on the entire amount. Then whatever amount paid by the lead insurer to the co-insurer is neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Provision clear? Next, service provided by the insurer to the reinsurer. First one, sir, the main party, Gopin took insurance with Star Insurance Limited. Star is insuring with Tata AIG. So, Star is the reinsurer and Tata AIG is the insurer because they are providing insurance service to the reinsurer. Am I right? Sir, service by the insurer to the reinsurer. Who is the insurer? Tata AIG. Who is the reinsurer? Star. Sir, for which ceding commission or the reinsurance commission is deducted from the what premium? Reinsurance premium. Sir, actually, Star is supposed to pay 78 lakhs to Tata. Am I right? But Tata is liable to pay 8 lakh to Star. Are you able to appreciate? So, if you are reducing 8 lakh rupees from 78 lakh and you can pay, sir, only how much lakh? 70 lakh. Paid by the insurer to the reinsurer. Hello, sir. Subject to condition that CGST, SGST, UTGST, IGST is paid by the reinsurer on the gross reinsurance premium. Sir, actually, sir, already Gopin took service insurance with the Star Insurance. Ready? Star Insurance is again taking insurance with Tata AIG. So, Star is the reinsurer. If that reinsurer pay 100% GST on 78 lakh, then on 8 lakh, neither supply of goods nor supply of services, inclusive of the said ceding commission or the reinsurance commission. Are you able to appreciate what we are talking about? That's it with regard to the items which are covered in Schedule 3. Tell me what is A? Actionable claims other than specified actionable claims. What is B? board. How many board? 5 board. C, court. D, district court. E, employer-employee relationship or other employee-employer relationship. F stands for funeral. G, ground. H, holds a position. Sir, I, insurance. Are you all really with me? Sir, not only the items which are covered in Schedule 3, but also there are certain activities or transaction which will be undertaken by central government, state government, local authority, in which they are engaged as public authority, as may be notified by the government on the recommendation of the council. Those activities also shall neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of service, because we are having 7(2) clause B. Notified activities or transaction undertaken by government or what authority, in which they are engaged as public authority. Such activities or transaction undertaken by central government, state government, local authority, in which they are engaged as public authority, as may be notified by the government on the recommendation of the council, shall be treated neither as supply of goods nor as supply of services. Let me tell you, man, what we have studied is, as per section 7 subsection 1 clause A, supply includes all forms of supply of goods or services or both, such as sale, barter, transfer, exchange, license, lease, rental or disposal, made or agreed to be made for a consideration by a person. Stop the word person. If you see person, we have already discussed the definition of the person. Am I right? Actually, 3 sets of definitions are there. Set number 1, Mokka set, which is individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, all those things. Set number 2 is corporate set, like company, society, cooperative society, etc., etc. Set number 3 is government set. Am I right? So, central government, state government, local authority, AJP, and trust, sir, these people are person. That means government is a person. Point number 1. And we have already discussed business include ANM classes. ANM classes. C stands for club or association. L stands for license. A stands for admission to enter into any place. Correct? S stands for service as a holder of office. E stands for engaged as public authorities. Are you all really with me? What are you understanding from this discussion? Sir, if central government, state government, local authority, AJP, trust, if they are providing any activity as what authority? Public authority, it is business. Oh my God. That means it is subject to what? GST. Are you all really with me? For example, let me ask you one question. Indian Railway is there. Have you traveled in rail? Yes, sir. Sir, Indian Railway, without ticket, without consideration, can you travel? No, sir. Then you will be in jail. Correct? Sir, Indian Railway, we have to take the what? Ticket. When they are collecting the ticket, they are collecting GST also. Because Indian Railway services are provided by central government. So, they are also person. Sir, what the activity they are doing is in the course or furtherance of business. So, for that has to be treated as a supply. For that, sir, they have to collect GST from us. Accepting. But every day morning, not central government, state government, for example, we are situated in Chennai. In Chennai, we are having Greater Chennai Corporation. Sir, Chennai people, Greater Chennai Corporation people are coming and collecting all the waste. In road, they are picking waste. In waste dabba, they are picking waste. Am I right? It is a responsibility of the government to take the waste. It is a responsibility of the citizen to put the waste. Correct? We have to put the waste and they have to take the waste. Correct? Even that state, local authority, sir, Chennai Corporation is a local authority. Even they are also a person. They are doing all that activity engaged as a public authority. So that is also a business. So that also has to be subject to GST. Means FD sir, for collecting waste, to putting road, to give the water, to supply the electricity, only we selected them. We elected them. So it is their national responsibility to do all that. Am I right? But as a government, they need revenue. For that, they are running, sir, rail. They need revenue. For that, they are providing some other business activities. So what government is saying that, sir, government will be doing many activities. Certain activity will be commercial in nature. certain activity will be, sir, charity in nature or their basic activities as a government. Now you just think, man, sir, such activities or transaction, kuppa perkiradu, collecting waste, putting road, giving water, supplying electricity, such activities or transaction undertaken by the either by the what government? Central government, state government, local authority, in which they are engaged as public authority, as may be notified by the government. Don't worry, we will put notification. Not all the activity. For example, even government is also transporting passenger or goods from one place to another. That we will not notify. But you are, sir, daily collecting the waste, solid waste management you are doing. You are putting street light. Is putting street light business in nature? No, sir. That activity, those activity will be notified by the government on the recommendation of the, after we discuss in the council, shall be treated neither as supply of goods nor supply of. So, every activity will not be notified. Only the activity which are service in nature, which the government is supposed to do, for that only we have elected them, then that activity will be notified. Yes, government has notified. These are the two notification government has put, my dear lovable students. One notification came very long back in 2017 when the act comes. Another notification they have came up in 2019 after 2 years. What are the activities covered? Service by way of any activity in relation to a function entrusted to a panchayat under Article 243G of the Constitution. Nothing, man. You may be a panchayat. Being a panchayat, you are supposed to do lot of activity to the general public. Am I right? What are the activities to be done by a panchayat is covered in Article 243G, like waste management, collection of waste management, putting road, supplying water, all the public activities I'm talking about, putting the street light, sometimes mosquito vehicle and all will be going. Correct? Sir, why they are doing? Because it is a responsibility of the panchayat to keep pollution free, to keep mosquito free. People should not be affected because of dengue, such diseases. So, all activities are covered in Article 243G of the Constitution. We are having Constitution of India. In that one of the article called as Article 243G. If any activity which the panchayat is doing, which are covered under Article 243G, neither supply of goods nor supply of service. Because those activity you are doing not for commercial in nature. You are doing to serve the people. It is your basic responsibility, Kanna. It will not be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of services. Number two, to a municipality. You are not a panchayat. You are a municipality. Greater Chennai Corporation is a municipality. Under Article 243W of the Constitution, undertaken by central government or state government or local authority, in which, sir, they are engaged as public authority, shall be treated neither as supply of goods nor as supply of services. Am I right? Are you all really with me? So, my dear lovable students, sir, you may be a panchayat or you may be a municipality. Are you all really with me? If you are a municipality, your letter will start with M. W. So 243W. If you are a municipality, any activity, if you undertake, sir, which are covered under Article 243W is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. You have to say that 243G of the Constitution. Are you all really with me? Number two, very important notification. Sir, you tell me, human consumption is covered inside GST, is not covered in GST. Is not covered in GST. It is outside the scope of GST. It's not a taxable supply. It's a non-taxable supply. Now, two items are not covered in GST. One is human consumption. Number two, petroleum products. Number two, petroleum products. Petroleum products in future someday they will bring under the cover of what? GST. Whereas alcoholic liquor for human consumption, every state said that it is our sut. Sometimes in Tamil Nadu, people may drink more. Yes, sir. Kerala is saying that, no, we are competing to you. Tamil Nadu is saying that, no, we are number one in that. So what government, state government said that, we want revenue from that. We will not revenue to the Central government. Are you all really with me? Yes, sir. So we don't want to bring it under the what? GST for the time being. So service by way of grant of alcoholic liquor license. For example, sir, Mr. X want to start a bar in Chennai. Can you start a bar tomorrow onwards? No, you should have a what? License. So you have to go and approach the particular prescribed authority for getting the license. For that, you are supposed to pay some amount, like 5 lakh, 10 lakh, some amount you are supposed to be paid. Hello, sir. Against consideration in the form of what fee? License fee or application fee or by whatever name called. Actually, this money will go to the state government because it is the right of the state government to give the license. Actually, what they are supposed to do now, I will ask that, hey, where you want to start the liquor shop, man? Bar, where you want to start? Sir, I want to start a bar very next to a school because a lot of people are there. So many customers will come and go. Students, it will be very useful for them. They are going, traveling so much long to get a servant bottle. So let me start the shop near to our school. Government will not accept, should not accept. Hello, sir. They will not provide license. So they will see where you are going to start, how much square feet will be there, whether you are going to give only supplier or the people can sit and have a, what are the, everything they will check. And the state government is deciding how much, sir, bar should be there in a particular state. For that, they will be getting, sir, application fee. When undertaken by state government, in which they are engaged as public authority, as a public authority, it is a responsibility of the state government to ensure that every citizen in the state is getting liquor. For that purpose only, they are providing liquor. License, liquor license. Are you really with me? As supply of goods, nor supply of service. What the central government is saying that, my Thambi, state government is only providing license. For liquor, it is outside the scope of what? GST, then automatically liquor license service will also neither treated as supply of goods nor supply of services. Government only supplying liquor. People are drinking it. Next teru, government only will show that have you had the liquor or not. For that, you could have stopped there by selling itself. If I am the next CM of Tamil Nadu, the first thing I will be doing is I will ban the liquor. Okay, that is a problem, no? Okay, fine. Some people are not saying what you will do once you come into power. I am saying now itself, come on. Notification by the government. So there are two notifications are there, which are treated as neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Am I right, sir? Statutory function entrusted to a municipality under Article 243W or statutory function entrusted to a panchayat under Article 243G are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Clear? Sir, these are statutory function. To do these functions only we have elected you. If you are doing the statutory function which are entrusted under Article 243G or Article 243W, these are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Hello, sir. Sir, grant of liquor license by state government for a consideration is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. That means, for example, there is a state government. For example, Tamil Nadu government is there. Tamil Nadu government is giving liquor license. For that, will they get any fees? Yes, sir. This is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. People are having a doubt. Doubt came, really doubt came. That's why the circular came. Are you all really with me? People are having a doubt. What doubt people are having is, if a person is taking liquor license, service provider is government. Service recipient is the bar owner. For that only they are paying some consideration. It is neither supply of goods nor supply of service. That means we can say that there is no GST burden. Actually, it's a burden. There is no GST burden. For liquor itself, there is no GST burden. Tomorrow, I am going to start a business. Selling, sir, cloth and purchasing cloth and selling cloth. Purchasing calculator and selling what, man? Calculator. Some business. For liquor liquor itself, if you are taking license, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Is, sir, selling liquor, having liquor is good activity than selling a cloth or any other thing? No. So, adike neither supply of goods nor supply of services. For this good activity, to take care of the people, to take care of their health, it should also be neither supply of goods nor supply of. That's why government has clarified by giving circular. They put a notification, man. In this notification, some doubt came. Have you understood what doubt came? Sir, central government has clarified that above special dispensation. Dispensation means something is not applicable. For example, I'm a state government. I'm giving you liquor license. For that, you are paying me consideration. For that, there is no GST. So, there is an exclusion. That exclusion is what? Dispensation. Apply only to supply of service by way of grant of what license? Liquor license by the state government as an agreement between the central and state, and has no applicability or precedence value in relation to grant of any other license, and privileges for a fee in other situation where GST is payable. Do you want to start a business? Do you want to do, sir, do you want to sell some product? You have to go and apply for the license with the what government? State government. For that, you will be paying consideration. For that consideration, what is there? GST is there. Very good. What a clarification has been given. Sir, it may be noted that service provided by government to business entity, including by way of grant of privilege, license, mining right, natural resource such as spectrum, against payment of consideration in the form of fee, royalty, are taxable under GST. For example, my dear lovable students, you want the mining rights. Mining rights means what? There is a piece of land in a particular state. Actually, this land belongs to a state government. This land belongs to a state government. This land, state government is allowing to ABC Limited for the purpose of mining. They will be putting holes. They will be extracting oil and all from, sir, the land. For this ABC Limited have to pay consideration to the state government. So this is also a license fee because state government is providing the license to that particular company. Am I right? It will be subject to GST. Only one consideration is not supply of goods, not supply of services, which is what license, man? Liquor license. So tax is required to be paid by what entity? Business entity on such services under even what charge? We have not talked about reverse charge. We are coming to talking about the reverse charge. That means what they are saying is, what the circular is clarifying to you is, if a state government is providing service to the liquor person, for by way of giving liquor license, it is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Any other license which has been provided by the government to the other person, it is liable to what? GST. Earlier also GST. The logic is very simple. Kalai utru. Sir, is a parent item covered in GST liquor? No, sir. So its liquor license is also neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Is the parent item of the, sir, license, mining right, natural resource such as spectrum, 2G spectrum, 3G spectrum, 5G spectrum, sir, and all are covered in GST? Yes. Then automatically the license for those items are also subject to what? GST. That's what the logic, that's what schedule 3 is all about, my dear lovable students. So we have completed 7.2. Sir, how we have started with 7.2? 7.2 is saying that notwithstanding anything contained in the provisions of subsection 1. That means if an activity or transaction satisfy all the parameters of to be supplied, still put it on dustbin. Activities or transactions specified in what 3? Schedule 3. There are certain activities or transactions which are mentioned in Schedule 3. Like A stands for actionable claims other than specified actionable claim. B stands for board. C stands for court. D stands for district court. E stands for employee-employer relationship. F stands for funeral. G stands for ground. H stands for holds a position. I stands for insurance. These activities are neither supply of goods nor supply of service. And number two, such activities or transaction undertaken by the central government, state government, or local authority in which they are engaged as public authority, as may be notified by the government on the recommendation of the council, shall neither be treated as supply of goods nor be treated as supply of service. How many activities, man? Two activities. Two things has been notified. Number one, statutory function entrusted to a panchayat under Article 243G. Statutory function entrusted by a municipality under Article 243W. These are neither supply of goods nor supply of services. This is what notification number one. One more notification is there. Allocation of what license? Liquor license. Liquor license. So permitting liquor license by which government? State government. State government for a consideration is neither supply of goods nor supply of. These are the two notification which has been mentioned under 7 subsection 2 class B. Because of the second notification, one doubt came whether any license given by government is neither supply of goods nor supply of goods. No, only for liquor license that notification will be applicable. For other things, my dear lovable students, sir, it will be taxable and subject to GST. Are you all really with me? Sir, I am comfortable, sir. Till now, what you have talked about from your heart, anybody is there? Where is a grand clap?